Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to your own channel Midu Study. I am your friend Ashutosh from IIM Indore, and friends, as you all know, in Midu Study we are currently preparing for CAT 21 and we have a series which is your Dream IIM series, in which in 75 days and 75 videos we are becoming ready for CAT. Friends, there are already videos on multiple topics in this series, and today we will continue with this series and move to the next topic. Today's video is based upon our logical reasoning or LR section. Let me revise for you what we have already covered in this section. So in LR section we already have a video on calendars. Our very first video we started with it. Then in two videos consequent 7 and 8 we discussed about linear and circular arrangements, which were kind of interrelated, so we took them together. In today's video we move to the fourth topic of LR, which is basically distribution. Let us understand distribution, solve few sets on distribution, and see what kind of questions can we expect in CAT. So what basically is distribution? In this type of problem we have to match two or more variables. So in language some cases will be given, and it will be given that suppose this is person X, he has this color house, and he owns this particular car, and there will be 5 people, 5 different combinations and all given and distributed among various people, and we will need to match them. So we need to match two or more variables. Sometimes double lineup is also known as distribution. So sometimes, like I said, double lineup, there will be set of colors, there will be set of houses, there will be set of cars, we need to match all that. Such is known as distribution. It is better to represent such problems pictorially in form of table or matrix and solve. So just like table, represent whatever information is given, make a table or matrix out of it and then solve. Steps for solving. Simply put, basically for all logical reasoning questions our steps remain same. First, make the pictorial representation, and what we just said, this pictorial representation should be in the form of table or matrix. So make a table or matrix out of the information which is given. Use symbols to represent the conditions given. So whatever condition is given, use your symbols to represent it. Combine the constraints to get the optimal solution. So multiple various constraints are given, just write all that, and this will be first two part in which we'll make a common representation, and then depending upon question to question just see the constraint and get the optimal solution. Let us try and understand with a problem what kind of various variables can be given and how it can be solved. So what is this set? It is given there are 4 trees. Okay, so 4 trees are there, each at the end of a rectangular plot. So we have some rectangular plot, and in that particular rectangular plot there are 4 trees which are there. So suppose this is a rectangular plot. What it is saying? It is saying there are 4 trees: lemon, coconut, mango and neem. Okay, at these 4 adjacent corners a well is located at one corner, cabin and another. So what are the various things? There are 4 trees, one well, one cabin. Lemon and coconut trees are on either side of gate which is located at center. Okay, so in center we are also given a gate. So if you consider this to be center, there is a gate over here, and there is one information: lemon and coconut trees are on either side of gate. So if we consider this to be the entry point, so lemon or coconut are on the either side. So what we can basically see, it can be lemon or coconut, or if this side is coconut, then it can be coconut or lemon. So this is what we get till this particular part. Each side opposite to sides at whose extremes the well and cabin are located. Lemon and coconut trees are on either side of gate which is located at center of each side, opposite to side at whose extremes the well and cabin. So basically well and cabin are somewhere located over here, because this is what it is saying. Mango tree is not at the corner where cabin is located. So this is another constraint which is given. So if we drew this as gate, lemon, coconut, coconut, lemon, and what we are given? We are given another thing, that opposite side there are well and cabin. So what can be the various combinations? We can have well, comma, some tree, let us leave space, or cabin, some tree. Okay, what can be these three? Lemon and coconut are already over here, mango and neem remains. So it can be mango, well along with mango, and then well or if it is cabin, neem can be one combination, or opposite. At this corner it can be what? It can be your cabin comma mango. Cabin comma mango can be there, or we can also have cabin comma mango tree is not at corner where cabin is located. Okay, so cabin and mango cannot be together. This is given in the question. So it can be cabin comma neem over here, or at this corner we can have well or mango. So this is what we can draw. Let us see if all things are getting covered. There are 4 trees, yes, lemon, coconut, mango and neem. Well is located at one corner, yes, well is located at one corner. Cabin at other corner, yes, cabin at other corner. Lemon, coconut trees are on either side of gate. This is gate, lemon, coconut or coconut, lemon, which is located at center opposite to whose extremes well and cabin. Mango tree is not at corner where cabin is located. So along with cabin we cannot have mango. So all this particular representation basically shows what has been already given to us in the question. Now based upon the questions going ahead, let us see and let us finalize what we can infer. Which of the following pair can be diagonally opposite to each other? So first is neem tree and lemon tree. Can they be diagonally opposite? Neem and lemon, yes, in this particular case if here is neem, here they can be. So first option itself is correct, no need to check others, but just for our satisfaction let us check cabin and neem. Cabin and neem, no, cabin and neem have to go together. This is wrong, and which should be wrong because already our first option is correct. Mango tree and well, mango and well, mango and well, no, they cannot be diagonally together, they have to be together. Coconut and lemon, no, again they have to be on the side of gate only. So clearly first neem and lemon is the correct answer. If the lemon tree is diagonally opposite to the well, okay, if the lemon tree is diagonally opposite to well, then coconut tree is diagonally opposite to. So we are given lemon tree is diagonally opposite to well. Lemon tree is diagonally opposite to well. So we are given this particular case. Here will be lemon tree, this side well. And what it is asking? Question is asking is lemon tree is diagonally opposite to well. Coconut tree is diagonally opposite to what? So in that case, if lemon is opposite to well, coconut will be here and coconut will be opposite to what? Well is already over here. So in this case, coconut tree will definitely be your opposite to cabin and neem, because here will be your coconut tree, here will be cabin and neem. So let us check if there is any option cabin and neem. So cabin is there amongst that options. This will be the correct choice. If the coconut tree and neem tree cannot be at adjacent corners of the plot, then which of the following will necessarily have to be diagonally opposite corners of the plot? So coconut and neem cannot be at adjacent corner. Coconut, neem cannot be adjacent. Okay, so basically if one is over here, other has to come over here. Now what it is saying, which will be definitely diagonally opposite to C. Let us see first of all coconut tree and well. Lemon and neem is there, and coconut tree as well as well. Not necessarily. Second option, lemon tree and cabin. In case of your lemon tree and cabin, what will happen is, to better understand it, what I will do is I will make again the representation which is given. Okay. On this diagram only, let us draw another rectangle and represent the case which is given. If the lemon tree is diagonally opposite to well, this is something which is given. Okay, lemon tree is diagonally opposite to well, coconut tree is diagonally opposite to. So down here was gate. This could be either this could be coconut. If this is coconut, this is lemon, we will draw another one. Okay, this can be coconut, this will be lemon in that case. If lemon tree is diagonally opposite to well, so what it is saying, here it will be well, and along with well what we have? Mango, we know that. So coconut tree, what is left for coconut tree? Cabin and neem. right? Okay, so this was basically for the next part. If coconut tree and neem tree cannot be at adjacent corner, so let us draw this case for that. That was previously solved, my mistake. If coconut tree and neem tree cannot be at adjacent corners of the plot, then which of the following necessarily have to be at diagonally opposite? So coconut and neem cannot be at adjacent. So if consider this was coconut, here was lemon, okay, so what will happen? Coconut and neem cannot be adjacent. So coconut and neem cannot come here. So if neem cannot come here, what will come over here? Mango, and along with mango well, and in that case neem will be over here, and along with neem we will also have cabin. This can be one distribution. Another distribution, let us do the just opposite. In another distribution, what we can have, in case lemon was over here, so if lemon was over here, we will have coconut over here, and in that case what will be the distribution? Well and mango will come opposite to your lemon, so well, mango, and neem and cabin. Which of the following will necessarily have to be at diagonally opposite? Coconut and well, not necessarily, they can be adjacent. Lemon and cabin, lemon and cabin, in this first they can also be together. Lemon and coconut, lemon and coconut, so lemon and coconut are adjacent only. Lemon tree and well, so yes, lemon and well, lemon and well, this is our correct option. In any circumstance, to satisfy the given condition, they have to be diagonally opposite. Which of the following must be true? Cabin and well are not at adjacent corners. Cabin and well are not at adjacent corners. So well and cabin, no, they can be at adjacent corners. This is not the correct one. Cabin and coconut trees cannot be at adjacent. Cabin and coconut, let us see. Cabin and coconut, no, again they can be adjacent. Neem tree and well are at adjacent corners. Neem and well, in this particular case they can be adjacent, so this option can be true. Neem tree and well are not at adjacent, so if this one of them have to be true, other will be false, so clearly C is our answer. Which of the following is definitely false? So it is saying definitely false, something which has to be definitely false. Mango tree is adjacent to the well at one corner. Mango tree is adjacent to well at one corner. This is true. Neem tree is adjacent to cabin at one corner. Neem tree is adjacent to cabin at one corner. No. Coconut tree is at corner adjacent to well. Not necessarily. Lemon tree is not at the same side of the plot as gate. This has to be false, because lemon tree can be at any side. Like we saw in this, lemon tree and coconut tree, they can either be on this side, they can also be on this side. So we cannot definitely say that they are at one particular side. So option D in this case is your false statement. So friends, this was one distribution example. Now let us study another distribution example. Let us draw a diagram for it and solve the questions. So let us first read the statement. It is saying in an apartment of 5 floors, what is given? In that particular apartment, some arrangement is given. People who are owning that particular floor, there are 5 people. Who are those 5 people? There is Kalyan, there is Lavanya, Manoj, Narayan and Omar. So since all of them are from different alphabets, we will denote them with K, L, M and O just to save space and time. Each floor is painted in different color, okay, and there is numbering of the floor that is given, and then some set. So first of all, let us try and create a table, okay. Here let us write the floor number, here the person who owns it, and here the color. Okay, since there are 5 floors, let me make 5 blocks. Let us see what conditions are given and if we can fill it. Omar owns the 4th. Let me first write the floor numbers. Omar owns the 4th floor, so we are clearly given one ownership, which is Omar. And is not painted red, so color is not given, it is given this cannot be red, not red is given for 4th floor. For 4th floor, which is Omar, not red. Kalyan stays in blue colored floor and does not owns the 5th, so Kalyan is not in 5th, no, but it is given that Kalyan has blue colored floor, color is blue. Lavanya owns the 1st floor, okay, so Lavanya, L, which is not red, so this again is not red, so this is not red, this is not red, okay. Narayana owns a yellow colored floor, okay, so we are given Narayana, yellow. So these two combinations are given. Kalyan has blue, Narayan has yellow. Manoj owns the 3rd floor. So 3rd floor is Manoj. So for 3 floors we are already given. So see friends, now in these questions we need to use the given conditions and solve as much as possible. See, we are given people at 3 floor, 2 floor remain, 5th and 2nd. It is given that Kalyan is not on 5th. It was mentioned here and does not owns the 5th. So for Kalyan this is the space which remains, and if Kalyan comes over here, K, L, M, N. What is N? Yes, Narayan has to come over here. So at least our persons are sorted. Now let us see what colors we can sort. Okay, Kalyan has blue, so Kalyan has blue. This is blue. This is something which we have solved. Narayan has yellow. This was also given. Now we were given that this is not red, this is not red, so definitely this has to be red. Okay, now can we also fulfill the other 2 colors? Any condition given? Kalyan stays in blue. Let us check. Kalyan stays in blue. First of all, Omar owns the 4th, which is not red. Okay, correct. Kalyan stays in blue. Kalyan blue, not 5th. Lavanya owns the 1st floor, which is not red. This is not red, correct. Narayan owns a yellow colored floor. Narayan is yellow. Manoj owns the 3rd floor. So this is also done. So now we do not have the certainty of our first 2. Okay. So which 2 colors remain? Orange and white. So it can be orange/white or it can be white/orange. This is not known with certainty. So this is what our table becomes. Now let us look at the questions and see if we can solve it using these conditions. Which floor does Narayan own? So this we have clearly solved. Narayan was here. Yes, 5th. So answer should be Narayan owns the 5th floor. Very simple, very easy. No need of any confusion in this. Narayan owns the 5th floor. What is the color of 4th floor? So we have seen 4th floor can be white or it can be orange. We don't know it with certainty. Is there any option? Yes, white or orange. So we need to be careful in this particular type of question. Since we have option orange, we have option white, and we have option which says both. So choose that particular option. Which of the following combination is definitely true? Let us check. 1 Lavanya orange. 1 Lavanya orange. Not definitely true, can be true. See, we need to be careful. It says definitely. This is not definitely. 2 Kalyan and blue. 2 Kalyan and blue. Yes. So this option is correct. Just for the sake of checking, let us check other option also. 4 Omar and white. 4 Omar, it could be white or it could be orange. So we are not sure about it. More than one above. No, only one option is correct. So this is the particular correct option. Now let's sum up. So friends, in this distribution we have seen that there can be questions in which various situation can be given. What we need to do is we need to draw a table or matrix. Overall that matrix we need to use, solve whatever has been given, and what conditions are given, let us mention that. Don't assume anything, and basis some questions we can put those particular things. In this way distribution can be solved, any question depending upon distribution. In our next video friends, we will have a video on verbal ability basics too. Like in first video we did about your root words, did some how to know about such words. In next verbal ability section we will have some more thing related to verbal ability. Please let us know friends on our mail id midu.study@gmail.com how you liked our content, what is your feedback, this topic of distribution, if in case you want there is any clarification or some more sort of questions that you want, please let us know. If you are liking our content, please like it, share it and subscribe Midu Study. Share it with your friends who are going to appear for CAT 1 and let everyone know that in 75 days, 75 videos, we are becoming CAT 21 ready. Thank you friends. Have a good day. Take care. All the very best.